Hey, everyone. How are you doing? It's good to be here again. Toyosi Ogumwale here once again. And today, I just want to show you a few updates that have come up from AI marketing. Some of us, or would I say, some of my team members already know that they've had issues in the past week trying to access their account. And last week, we got an update from support telling us that some legislation kind of issues came up with the Russian government, and with that, a couple of activities have been on halt because they need to sort all of that out so that they can then go ahead. And so, some people in countries who have internet service providers from Russia and all of that have had issues accessing their account. Now, the best way, if you are in a country where somehow you're not able to access your back office, what you should just do is use your incognito browser. Okay, that's the first update. Now, just today, we got news that leaders will be meeting with AI marketing in a few days now. I think Saturday was the day. So on Saturday, this meeting will be held, and then we expect more updates as regards what's gonna happen next and what change are we expecting. But as of now, the update that we have is you need to do a few things because there is going to be some form of data migration. Okay, this whole legislation thing with the Russian government could bring up some kind of changes, and they might have to just move data, you know, and then replicate, I mean, come back up with all of our data without any changes at all. But should in case, during data migration, maybe your back office doesn't seem up to date, you need to, of course, you will be asked to present proof. Okay, so just in case, now this is just in case during data migration, some bits were missing from your back office. You need to do a few things to have as a backup, as proof, to show support so that any kind of errors can be corrected. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is come log into your back office, come to your virtual card. Okay. Here is your virtual card here. Take a screenshot of it, take a good screenshot of that. When you do that, you also need to take a screenshot of your sales tab. When you click on sales, do a screenshot of do a screenshot of what you have here so you can see when last it was that you had your back office updated and all of that. Also, come to your statistics. Come to your statistics, click on it, take a screenshot of that. All right. Also, you want to come to your top up history, go to just when you click on top up, come to top up history, click on it, and then take a screenshot of your history, the top up history. Also, you need to come to the transfer tab here and then take a screenshot of your transfer history. So you just need to click on transfer history here, and then boom, you can take a screenshot of that. And then all of this is just so that perhaps you're one of those who have already, you know, initiated a withdrawal and you're yet to receive the withdrawal due to hiccups with APIs of banks and all of that. You need this screenshot. Okay, so just in case your withdrawal is asked for the proof of withdrawal or anything. So that being said, the what I would advise here is that we wait. Okay, let's just be patient. They asked that we give them 3 weeks to sort everything out and then get everything back and running again. And that's what we're just going to do. If you look at my virtual card, you would also see that I actually topped up, I think a week ago now, $870, and it hasn't yet moved into the robot. That's because everything is on halt. But stay put, okay? Stay put. Be patient, okay, and calm down because AI marketing is going nowhere. From all the updates we are getting from support and our Telegram, our official Telegram news, we know that work is going on in the back end, in the background, to make sure everything comes back up running again and all legal issues are sorted. Okay. I think that will be all for now. Possibly at the weekend when I get some more updates, I'll be able to come back here and share it with you. But for now, have fun, okay? And then be rest assured, okay? And pray if you're a Christian, pray whatever it is you do to have faith, to keep your faith going. Just do it so that everything is sorted and then you can just get past all of this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates, and then see you in the next one. Bye.